Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to fix DaVinci Resolve not importing MP4 files. This is a common frustration that can halt your editing workflow, but with a few simple solutions, you'll have those files loading smoothly in no time. Let's jump right in. First, open your DaVinci Resolve application. Once it's up and running, look to the upper left corner of your screen and click on DaVinci Resolve. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From here, click on Check for Updates. Sometimes the simplest solution is the most effective. An outdated version of DaVinci Resolve can cause compatibility issues with certain MP4 codecs, so updating to the latest version might be all you need to resolve the problem. Let the software check for any available updates and install them if prompted. If updating doesn't solve the issue, we'll move on to the next solution, which involves converting your MP4 file to a more compatible format. For this, you'll need VLC Media Player, a free and versatile tool that can handle virtually any media conversion. Open VLC Media Player on your computer. In the upper left corner, click on Media. This will reveal another drop-down menu where you'll find various options for handling media files. From this menu, click on Convert/Save. This opens a new window designed specifically for file conversion. In this new window, click on the Add button. A file browser will appear, allowing you to navigate to the location of your MP4 file. Select the MP4 file that DaVinci Resolve is refusing to import, and then click Open. This adds the file to VLC's conversion queue. Next, click on the Convert/Save button located at the bottom of the window. You'll now see a conversion settings screen. Here, look for the section labeled Profile and click on the drop-down menu next to it. From the list of available profiles, choose video-h.264 plus MP3 in parentheses, MP4. This profile ensures your file is encoded in a codec that DaVinci Resolve can easily recognize and import. After selecting the profile, you'll need to choose a destination file for your newly converted video. Click on the Browse button and select where you'd like to save the converted file. Once you've chosen a location and named your file, click Start. VLC will now begin converting your MP4 file. Depending on the size of your video, this process may take a few moments, so be patient while the conversion completes. Now that your file has been successfully converted, head back to DaVinci Resolve and try importing the newly converted MP4 file. You should find that it imports without any issues this time. By converting the file to a more universally compatible codec, you've eliminated the compatibility barrier that was preventing DaVinci Resolve from recognizing it. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the issue of DaVinci Resolve not importing MP4 files. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.